Fine. If you see about that coding and decoding stuff, I said, okay, 4 different type of questions they are giving. One letter to letter, that's what letter coding. Letter to number, number coding. Substitution coding, mixed coding. They are giving all 4 different type of questions. So letter, number, substitution coding, and mixed coding. All these 4 models they are asking. So I need to focus on all the 4 different type of models: letter coding, number coding, substitution coding, and mixed coding. Now this is actually which model? This is number coding. Letters they converted into number coding. So simply Mars is 51. Then when it is number, first always we have to try forward coding. Forward coding means directly adding 13 plus 1, 14, 14 plus 18, we have to get 32, 32 plus 19, which is nothing but 51. To cross check again, they given Venus is 81. For cross checking, if you are confident, directly go and attack Apple, or you can cross check with Venus. So Apple 16, 16, 32, we have 32 and 12, 44, 44 plus 6, 50. Option D is correct. For Apple, if you add, okay, directly Apple, okay, 1 plus 16 plus 16 plus 12 plus 5, which will give, okay, 50 as the answer. Apple is 50. So it's directly sum of those respective letters position in alphabetical order. A to Z 26 alphabets, so A value and B value to so on. So accordingly we have to pick and drop it, right? So that's what. We got 50 as the answer for Apple. Perfect. Now let's focus on next one. Now here they given 118. So 119, 101, 125. Okay, we have to focus on this question. So Sir Amber is given as 118. Fine. So first focus on forward coding, if not reverse coding as well. First try forward coding. 1 plus 13 plus 2 plus 5 plus 18. 18 and 2 20. 20 and 13 we got 33. 33 plus 6 39. Some multiple of this, is it 118 possible? We have to try in that case. 39 double is 78. 3 times will be 117. So 3 times plus 1. Maybe see we have to check like that also. Is that okay or not? I have an idea. Adding all, I got 39. 39 multiplied by 3 is nothing but 117. 33 times 90. 90 plus 27, 117. Plus 1 for that, maybe 118 possible. We'll check that with the next one. So for Amber, this is what the situation. Adding all the respective things, multiply by 3, then adding 1 is what? One idea we got. Next one is what? Okay, we have to check for that alias. So 1 plus 12, we got 13 plus 9, 22, 22 plus 1, 23, 23 plus 19, 23 plus 19, we got 42. So for our discussion, multiplied by 3 plus 1, but it's not giving 127 required. It's not suitable. Okay, listen. That's what, guys, listen. First, we should try forward coding. We tried forward coding, but it's not result to what is desired. But what is the other logic? Wait. The other logic might be like, what is 9 cube? So 9 square, 3 square, 81 plus 9, no, 3 cube 27. 81 plus 27, like this we have to try different things. There are questions where you got 39, no, they make you 3 square plus 9 square. The answer may be 3 square plus 9 square, that logic also there. So we should try forward coding all different cases. I am trying like that, multiplying with something or doing cube for the given letters, square for the given letters, not suitable finally, okay. Then now what I will go ahead is like reverse coding for that. If I do reverse coding for the respective, maybe 118 suitable or not, we'll check. So, okay, directly they given first letter 1, last letter. Then for everything, first and last. So, good. So here A value 1, Y value 25. Here A value 1, R value 18. Here A value 1, S value 19. If it is last one is single digit, the writing as 0, 1. Perfect. So for Arsenal, 1 and 12. So we have to get, so it's they're copying only first and last letters only. That's what here we have an update. So even we know a lot of things, still we can get update everywhere here and there. That's why this company questions are a bit important. Now I think this can be easily done with for you. So life is coded as 32, rain is 42. How is peace? So life 12 plus 9, 21, 21 plus 6, 27 plus 5. So directly adding. It's straightforward addition for the forward coding. So we can directly attack the question. Do addition directly. For piece, if you do addition directly, 16 plus 5, 21, 22, 25, 30 should be your answer. P is 16, E value 5, A value 1, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 16 plus 14, 30. It's straightforward. We have to go for forward coding, then addition. Forward coding, then addition. Next, fourth question also same logic. Plant P63, that's also forward coding and addition only. P16, 12, 28, 29, 29 plus 14, 43, 43 plus 20, 63. So straightforward addition we can apply. They given a lot of things to cross verify. Okay. But guys, listen, there is an advantage. What is leap is given as? Leap is given as 34. In Mettl, leap code is already there. Only M letter is extra. So I'll do 13 plus 34, 47 is my answer. I'm taking advantage of the question. Leap letter, LEAP is available in MAPLE also. A plus B plus A, there is no problem. Addition. Right? So only M letter is extra. Add 13 extra for that 47. It's straightforward addition only. But leap is 34, where you have L, A, P, E, all letters. It's available in Mettl also. M extra we are considering, rest of all we are taking from the same. We can go with option D as the answer. No discussions, please. Option D is correct. Next one. Here. Kinder, how many letters? Kinder, how many letters? What is 6 cube? They given. Good question, right? So, radar, 5 letters. 5 cube, 125. Master answer automatically 216 only, 6 letters. So when we see numbers now, we have a thought process like, okay, forward coding, reverse coding and all. But here it's a regarding number of letters. How many letters? That value cube, 6 cube, 5 cube, all those they given. Right. See the next one. No discussions, please. See the next one. It's a straightforward because k is nothing but 11. Directly, so we can go 21 plus 16, 37. I'm doing directly 37. Madam. So directly we can add. So here k value 11, I value 9. We got 20, 24 plus 34 plus 7, 41. Yeah. It's directly addition. Forward coding, direct addition. Yeah. Out of the 6 questions, Majority are forward coding, but two questions we have a very good update regarding number of letters logic, other one first letter, last letter. Excellent question, both are given. Now this one, again you have a good update, next question. Sir, guys, focus. When is given as 210, big number, right? But you have a very good clue at what is that is given as 20. What is A value? P value? It's a product of that. O value 15, N value 14, product is 210 for your kind. D value 4, E value, L value 12. 4 into 5, 20, 20 into 12, 4 to 40. We know addition, they given multiplication also. So your answer should be 40. At is 20, bat is 40, cat is 60. Whenever you see those things, you can directly attack. At 20, bat 40, cat 60. Product logic. Pretty much similar to this, we discussed one question related to cube. Here 4 letters and the logic here is 4 square. And here we have 7 letters, 7 square. So number of letters related also they are giving. So here what is the answer? 49. Nervous is 7 letters, again 7 square 49. Some people will be not happy with that, sir. Respect already 49 is given, again why nervous is 14, that's logic here. Don't say other than 49 I need answer, not like that. So it's already fine. It's number of letters square. We have to do square for the number of letters, that's it. So see the next one. Yeah, this is bit related to they assigned value for each letter if you focus. See, L is there two places. Here same number which is repeated. L is there in two places in the given word. Which number is repeated two times here? 14 means L is given as 14. What is L value? 12. L value 12, they given 14 plus 2 logic. What is D value? 4, but they given 6 plus 2. R is 18, they given as 20. A is 1, they given as 3. So C should be given as 5. A should be, M should be 15. So it may be option A or none. E value 7. L value should be 14. Fixed in option A. When there is none of this, please check the entire code. Don't ignore in between. As none of this is there, we need to try entire and we have to check is it available or not. Yes, our entire thing is available in option A. Go with option A. See the next question. Different type of questions which is given in Mettl platform. Now we entered into letter related stuff. Letters to letters. Yeah. And this question, it's pretty clear. What's the logic? Plus 3 minus 3. Is it plus 3 minus 3? Yeah. First 3 letters plus 3. Guys, listen, that's important. For first 3 letters plus 3 logic. For last 3 minus 3 logic. How, sir? What is C value? 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 is Z. For first 3 letters plus 3 logic. For last 3 letters minus 3 logic is given. If you apply same thing for this, plus 3, here minus 3, okay, B is 28 also I can take. B 2 means, okay, minus 3 is minus 1, we have to get Y. For E, B should be there. For R, 18 minus 3, O should be there. You can check it out Y, B, O in majority of the options because of minus 3 for last. And if you apply plus 3 for the first 3, 14 plus 3, we got Q, then X, then we'll get P. So QXP, YBO, available in option B. Option B is perfectly suitable. For first three letters plus 3 logic, for last three letters minus 3 logic is the thing we need to apply. So it's Q, X, P, Y, B, O is the correct suitable one. Fine, so let's see about this question. So the given excuse is given as DZDYRK, right? Now the question is regarding galaxy is related to what? And wait, okay, let's have a look into the options. If you observe, every option starts with F, right? Minimum is starting with F. Third letter is, you see every option first letter F, third letter M, right? That's freezed, right? So I'll put that maybe for you get a better clarity while solving the question. I'll put that first letter and third letter, which is already fixed in options, right? Now, if you observe here also, E previous letter, D, G previous letter, F, same position, same logic. Next, third one, C, C. Next letter D here, L next letter M. So at least we can understand same position, same logic they're doing. Right now, focus on the options. Listen, second letter also, except the C option, remaining all have C. Yeah, X plus 2 logic, right? Z. Here A plus 2 means C will come. So F1 C fine. But now the one which is deciding is fourth one, U21, Y25. What is the logic here is plus 4. If you apply plus 4 logic, A1, D, here it should be E. FC, ME, with ME only one option available, that's nothing but option D. D for Delhi, so option D is the only suitable one. We have plus 4 logic available only in option D. Plus 1, okay, minus 1, then plus 2, plus 1. Yes, sir, what is happening in trial? That's nothing worry, but they did some logic for each letter, same position. Here also same position, we can cross verify. That's sufficient. Some people worry about sir, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, not happened. Minus 1, minus 2, not happened. Why all those, right? So they given only one code, they're asking immediately next one, and 2 letters are fixed, and we can observe and we can understand the logic clearly. Right, so similarly, let's go for the next one. Tiger is given as QDFHS. If you recall in your booklets also, in coding and decoding, same question already exists. Not in this one, practice booklets you are every year. Okay, I already prepared 3 booklets for quant reasoning in semester wise. So in one of the booklet, first booklet, you can find same question as this. Tiger is given as QDFHS. So what is the fish logic? G R H E is correct. Okay. Guys, here the logic is back to front. R previously minus 1 logic, previous letter. R previous letter is what? R before letter. E before letter. E before letter. G before letter. I before letter. T before letter. One letter before, minus 1 logic, just minus 1, previous letter, right? So now for fish, same logic, H before letter, F before letter, S before letter, I before letter. So minus 1 logic, back to front. Or else do minus 1, write it reverse. Back to front, simple, minus 1 logic. Option B is suitable. So the next one, coding and decoding, we can expect again 3 to 4 questions in abstract reasoning. So let's see about this 13th question. Shark is coded as AHAIB. Tango is coded as BAEGF. Jungle is coded as what? For better thing in exam, we are recommending you people to write the code exactly below. Okay, all this stuff fine, but well, in exam, what you can do for better logic? No, shark, what are the code? Write it just below. So what is for shark? AH, AI, B. Is it right? So, yeah. For Tango, what are the code? Write it below. Then you can crack the logic bit easy. That's what the idea. So B, A, E, G, F. Right. Now, finally, jungle is what? Okay. So, focus. What is happening? What logic? And for jungle options also, if you check it out, yeah, first letter, last letter, if you can fix, no, I think you can. In fact, with first letter, you can decide the answer. First letter Q, A, C, B, different first letters are there. If we can decide first letter, almost we are done with the question. Option B, B for Bangalore. Okay. People are saying option B. We'll check. This is one option opted by friends. We'll see. Remaining also check it out. You have options. Jungle is coded as what? And these are the options clearly available already. So what is the logic? We are taking like, sir, it should be repeated. Okay, this two letters should be repeated, sir. Here, two letters common, sir. Here, two letters common, sir. In jungle, also have some letters should be repeated, sir. Is that the logic you are applying? Okay, G is only available in option B, so that's what you are going with. Fine, okay. Remaining, think about other logics. Okay, that's one case, fine. Others, okay, this is one logic where your friends are thinking about. What about the other logic? Yes, sum of digits. Okay, perfect. So guys, that's what excellent logic given by your friend. Okay, if it is single letter, as it is, it will be there. Guys, listen, this is what excellent. Okay, hats off to your friend who given the logic. H is what number? 8. Single digit, right? So it will be same. A is how much? Single digit, right? It will be same. Here A is single digit, let it be same. G, single digit, same thing. What about O? 15. What is 1 plus 5? That is what F. What is K? K. 11. King's 11 Punjab, K value 11. 1 plus 1? 2. R is 18. 1 plus 8? 9. That is why. So it's not same repeated likewise. So it's actually regarding. Yeah, fine. In fact, in how your friend given answer correct G letter. G is 7. Okay, G will come as it is. E will be 5. E will be as it is. J, what will be J? J is 10. 1 plus 0. So we'll get A starting with. That's what the logic. Jungle. J is a two digit. So G as it is will occur. E as it is will come. That's not a worry. J is 10. We'll get A 1 plus 0. U is 21. 2 plus 1 3. We have to get C. N is 14. We get 5. E. L is 12. We'll get C. Guys, sudden questions you people are doing, but one or two questions. Okay, so far in coding and decoding, we're done with 13, I think, but we have two special questions. One answer given by one of your friends, second question, that's excellent question where you have, okay, first letter, last letter mapping. Amber is 118, that's excellent question actually. Okay, first letter, last letter, they map directly. And okay, as mentioned, earlier. So in abstract reasoning, image-based questions were not yet started, but 3 to 4 questions very important. And coding and decoding, they are asking all the 4 models. Right now we're discussing that. And series completion we completed. Analogy we are done. Oddoneout we are yet to handle that. Right. So fine. Let's see about this 14th one. What has happened? First and last letters are same. PO are given as ROP. So first and last are same. Remaining middle should be written from back to here I, here it should be E. RI, last EP, available in option C. First and last and middle they are writing in reverse. Excellent. Option C is perfect. Now what about next one? Yeah, first plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, but for P, again, yeah, in fact, this simple plus 1 logic. So for Mumbai plus 1 logic, if you apply NV, again N, so that's available in option A. Easy question, fine, very good. Plus 1 logic, very easy question for you. 15th one is very easy, plus 1 logic. 16th one, roster is written as GIX, DXYZ, and premium is written as KLV, XSW. Randoms is given as what? And in fact, every option starts with the T. Every option starts with TU, in fact. At least there you crack the logic. Every option starts with TU. And for cracking the question, I already given one logic. Write it below. What are the code for roster? Write exactly below for that in exam so that you can think about the question in a better way. So whether it is swapping or they given whatever the logic, you can think about it in a better way. Premium is given as KLVXS. Right, so randoms is written as what? That's what the question. So, and it starts with TU. R is 18, G is 7. But if you observe, 18 and 7 is minus 11. Here, whereas here 16 and 11, randoms is KLV. So, here 16 to 11 is minus 5 only. Not suitable in that way. So, you have to think in a different direction. You have to see the question in a different direction. Premium is given as KLVXSO. Now randoms started with TU. Anyone done with the question? Check it out. First one, R is there 2 times. They given X for that. At least I think that may give you the idea. R 2 times there, X is there 2 times in the code. Here premium M is there 2 times, O is the code it seems, 2 times O repeated. Okay. In randoms, no letter repeated. That's why in options also no letter repeated. All are different. But what is the logic for this question? Do swapping back to front. Is there any case we can do the question? Two letter swapping, three letter swapping. You just think on this directions. As these 7 letters, you can take first 3 letters. If the swapping happen, is that correct or not? You can check it out that. Guys, I think you can see A value is how much? 1. G value plus 6. What is R value? 18. T X value plus 6 only, right? What is T value? Z value. What is the logic? R value, X value. What is the logic? Plus, if you have doubt, you check here. You check it out the same here. What about middle letters here? Yeah, these two swapping. Okay, middle letter if you observe, plus 11 logic middle letter. S is 19. 19 plus 11? 30. More than 26 means remove 26 from that. 30 minus 26 is 4. 4 means D letter. Middle one plus 11, remaining plus 6. And in fact, in this middle one also minus 6 is there. In this middle one minus 6 happened. In this middle one minus 6 here, minus 6 here, it is plus 11. Typical logic here plus 6, minus 6, plus 6, middle letter plus 11, here plus 6, minus 6, plus 6. With typical logic, okay, here these three we can swap. Swapping here minus, here swapping, here minus. Middle letter plus 11 logic. Now, okay, that is why they given first two letters are TU, at least to understand from that. TU is fixed in every options here and there. So for randoms, here plus 6 is T. A minus 6 is U. Guys, A can be considered as 27. If required, A can be taken as 27 also. Fine. So A can be taken as 27 minus 6 logic here plus 6 again plus 6 will start with TUX. So with TUX there are multiple options and middle one plus 11 as we mentioned. D4 4 plus 11 means we will get 15. TUXO again yeah plenty of logics. S plus 6 is nothing but 19 plus 6 25y. O plus 6 U 15 plus 6 21. M minus 6 13 minus 6 is 7. We need G. So Y G U it's available in only B option. So we can go with B option. So logic here as mentioned. So first letter plus 6, then minus 6, then plus 6, then middle letter plus 11. But three letters you have to divide. Okay, that's why write the code below so that you can understand what is the logic happening. There are some typical questions they are giving. Few easy questions are there, fine. You people are very much good, okay, but there are some typical questions where you may lose the score. So please focus on that. Right, so let's see about the next one. Material is written as BWXPIDFU. Hundreds is written as AQR KPGBU. Then oblivion is given as what? So 8 letters, right? Here also something like they may be swapping 2 or they can swap 4 letters at a time. It might be in those cases, so you check it out. Yeah, plus 3, it seems like, yeah, fine. Plus 3 minus 3, 4 letters swapping, you can check it out. See, material, fourth letter is E, first letter B, E and B is minus 3. M is first one, P is fourth one, plus 3. It's like they are swapping 4 letters clearly, and your answer should be I minus 3, O plus 3 likewise. So R, yeah, I think F R required. It's available in A and D. I can eliminate B and C. So what is logic happening? Let me give you clarity. Material, right? Four letters you give the gap. E minus 3. E minus 3 is B. M plus 3 is P. Swapping. A plus 3 D is the third letter D given on the code. BWDP, right? X. Okay, fine. Then it is, yeah, minus 3. This is minus, right? A can be taken as 27. 27 minus 3 is 24. A can be taken as 1 or next cycle 27. A1, B2, so on, Z value 26. A 27. Next cycle A will be 27. 27 minus 3 is 24. Here plus 3. Okay, this is what the logic. Similarly, they apply for last 4. Swapping. Swapping related first 4 and last 4 they are applying. IDFU they given. IDFU which is clearly plus 3 I my F as minus 3 plus 3 minus 3. This typical questions not easy in exam. That's why. Okay, kindly write the code below. Then you may think about back to front swapping. Entire they give previous 7 letters. Now this is 8 letters. They divide into 2 groups. Okay, good. So now what's the answer? If you divide into 2 groups, I plus 3 minus 3, if you apply plus 3 minus 3 plus 3 minus I minus 3 is F. O plus 3 or L minus 3, we have to get I. Okay, O plus 3, right? So fine. O. F4 required. F4 Y are already here available. Next, similarly, if you apply N plus 3 minus 3 means N minus 3 K required, it's already there. Last letter V plus 3, 22 plus 3, 25 Y. So option D is perfectly suitable. Option D. Logic simple plus 3 minus 3 and that too swapping should be happened. In exam, please think about this type of logics, not easy to crack. Okay. Until unless you practice and if you have already those type of thoughts in your mind. Plus 3 minus 3 logic. Not straightforward question. Next one. Book is called as ENPJ. So what's your answer? Option C. Logic is plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. So if you apply same, we'll get O previous letter is N. So fine. So we'll get NN P M. Good. Plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. Option C is correct. Right. So option C NN P M. Next question. Pace making is given. I think this is 10 letter. No, maybe first 5 letters, last 5 letters. Maybe swapping may happen. We'll check. We'll check. They're given only one code directly. So if we divide that entire U E F G N F O L B H. Yeah, P is 16, U 21 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Again, yeah, fine. That's the logic, right? So you see first 5, last 5. First 5 logic is plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Again plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Divide entire 10 letters into 5 plus 5. Okay, then first 5 is plus 5 plus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you apply same thing, first plus 5 means we have to get P, and then okay, plus 4 means we'll get E, and plus 3, B plus 3, we got 5 again E, right? So plus 2 and M, right? So PEECM available only in option A. PEECM available only in option A. You can divide entire into 2 groups. First group 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 addition. Next group also 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 addition. No swapping. Maybe next time they'll use same logic swapping also. That should come in this end. This one go to that end. So plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Only one clue given in the question. Pacemaking is coded as UEFGNFOLPH. Then cabalistic is given as what? The same way, right? So now frozen is given as this. So and in fact every option first 2 letters are common. Means there may be some swapping happen. We'll check. Frozen OFA. I think this is repeated question we are discussing. Maybe long back we discussed because I know last 2 letters are what in frozen? Last 2 letters EN. In code first 2 letters are for molten last 2 letters Every option first two letters means you can understand there is something happening from back to front. Frozen last two letters are EN. In the code, first two letters are OF. In molten, last two letters are EN. First two letters in every option is OF. There is swapping somehow happened, right? So you can understand N next letter, E next letter, Z next letter. So and they divide into two. This entire dump to here. Plus one logic. Are in fact back to front here. Simple. Write plus one and write from back to front. Plus one for this every letter is G, S, O after P, Z after A, E after F, N after O. Plus one logic and then write back to front. Okay, so if I do plus one logic, it should be NP. So ending with PN required. Okay, M also. Ending with MPN more. So U. Option C is correct. Write plus one logic, then write back to front. Reverse. OFUMPN. Option C is perfectly suitable. So I think this is a question, guys. Listen, the special question Mettl platform where many of the people are not understanding what is happening in the question. They may know, okay, sir, yellow, Y, L, O, W letters are involved. Options also same are there, but what is the logic here? Ascending order, alphabetical order. In yellow, whatever letter C is there, they keep that in alphabetical order. Alphabetical order of those letters. In tomato, what is alphabetical order? A, then M, then O, then finally end with T. Same letters, okay, but alphabetical order. We need to keep them in alphabetical order. Forest also you can check it out. The same letters they kept in E, F, O, R, S, T. But they given one more next level logic here. Listen, in same Mettl platform only, we know opposite pairs. If you recall, what is B opposite pair letter? Y. B opposite is Y, A opposite is Z, L opposite O and all. They're writing opposite letter, but they keep that opposite letters in alphabetical order. Here directly, the letters given in question is yellow. Those letters they kept in alphabetical order. But some questions what they are doing, they may apply plus one logic or plus two logic. That result they are putting in alphabetical order. Here same letters directly kept in alphabetical, but they are making complicated in recent papers like they are doing some logic for the given letter. Then the result is put in alphabetical order. Then what can be done in exam, sir? Simple. What are the logic? Let it be. You see the options. All options same letters only they are giving. Which option is alphabetical order that you pick? What are the logic they'll apply? No, let it be. In the option C, which is in alphabetical order, that will be the answer. What are the logic they apply? No, no problem. We need option with alphabetical order. So that's available in option B here. So what about this question? It's not alphabetical order. What is that? Two letters swapping. Right. So in forest we can observe. Okay, first two letters swapping. We got OF. RE swapping we got ER. ST swapping we got TS. Right. So planet swap to LP. Okay, NA. With LP, NA, T, we have only option B. With LP, NA itself, okay, we have only one option, LP, NA. D option, B. So two letter swapping is what they did. This is not alphabetical order logic, two letter swapping. Simple. Description, first letter D as it is, last letter N as it is. So first letter maintained same, last letter maintained. In fact, every alternate letter, right? If you observe every alternate, D is same, S same, R is same, P is same, I is same, N is same. For remaining, they did plus 3 logic. In surprise, S, R, S is required. S, R, S is available in option D. Alternate letters they kept the same. For remaining things, they did plus 3 logic. Alternate letters they kept as it is, remaining plus 3 logic. E plus 3 is H, C plus 3 is F, I plus 3 L, O plus 3 R, likewise plus 3 logic for rest of the things. Okay. Now what about this one? Packet. Okay, they given only one code, so write it below, then you will get the idea how to answer that. So OBB LDU. So -1 plus 1, -1 plus 1, -1 plus 1, they keep doing that. Right, so O previous letter N, B next letter C. We need option with NC. Sir, here, listen, sir, in option, one moment. Packet is written as how is written. Okay, listen, guys, listen. Pretty important. See the line of the question. They're asking for this one, no degree. So I taken wrong. Okay, for not for OBLED. So we should write for DEC. So yeah, -1 for first letter. Then we got C. Then plus 1 we'll get F. Again -1 will get B. So CFB, only option D. Right. So -1 plus 1 likewise. Okay. Now what about cold? I think this is could, sorry, not cloud or cold. So could will be -1 logic. So if you apply same thing for molding, L N T, L N T. Right. So -1 logic, option C is pseudo. -1 logic, simple, -1. So next question. So what's the answer for this? Some letters are missing, right? Okay. Right, sir. There is a mistake in the question, sir. Let it be, but we can understand actually. They're given for alternate letters. M next letter is N. D next letter E. For R next letter, for S next letter, they removed vowel. It seems A is a vowel. It seems like okay as per this, but in here they given directly. Okay, in options they given all those, but they try to create, but options given straightforward. The initial logic is they need to remove the vowels. For consonants, next letter is what they thought of. But in options, they given everything. Fine, let it be whatever it may be. The logic, what we got the idea is plus 1 logic. Actually, vowels should be ignored. Okay, but in fact, here options, everything they mentioned. So CP, N, C, B, Z. So we have option B. In fact, they should give only C and CZ. They should remove this P and B. As per the original logic, they want to skip the vowels actually. Right. In fact, in Madras, vowels position, in Bombay, vowels position also same. Second letter, fifth letter. Position of vowels also same. Actually, they have to create like that. Maybe this is a typo error or something like. I am thinking like the correct logic is this. Plus 1, skipping those vowels. Right. So what is the logic for this question? Reverse that too. No, directly or reverse. We have to do back to front. Because started with T, ending is SC is there. We can, that's what we write the code below, then you can get some idea. They given happiness as TRF MJOQZI. Right. So S plus 1 is T. For last one, plus 1 is T, minus 1 is R. In fact, H plus 1, I, A minus 1, Z. You can check it out that. So back to front, plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 is happening. Actually, we have to start from left side, not right side. So plus 1 minus 1 is what happening. Now same thing if you apply for sorrow, S next letter is nothing but plus 1, first plus 1. How would sorrow be coded in the same? So what is the S? Previous next letter, okay, S next letter T is, but read the question. How would sorrow be coded in that same code? Means sorrow previously, how will, okay, how can, you have to do the coding, but the sorrow is the result of something it seems, right? So, okay, you people need to apply. Suppose you want to do decoding. If you want to do decoding, we have to do reverse minus 1 plus 1. While coding plus 1 minus 1, then decoding, we have to do minus 1 plus 1. Coding plus 1 minus 1 means if you want to do decoding, then you have to apply minus 1 plus 1. Reverse. Means let us say when I am sending a message to your friend, okay, my logic is plus 1. For every letter for security issues, what are the message I want to send? I want to send next letter. Hi HI, instead of that H next letter I next letter I text as IJ. At the receiver side, you want original message means you will take previous letter. So coding plus 1 at the receiver side, decoding minus 1. So that's what here already sorrow would be coded. Okay, this is already actually coded one where we need to decode it. It's like a reverse case we'll get. So if you do minus 1, we'll get R. Then plus 1 P minus 1 Q plus 1 will be, so it's available in option D. Right, so minus 1 plus 1 in decoding, in coding plus 1 minus 1. If suppose that's the case, you need to look into the question here plus 1 minus 1. But result is minus 1 plus 1 because of that decoding 1. In fact, plus 1 if you do, there is no option. S plus 1 T. T is not available in any of the options. We may have a thought of doing plus 1 minus 1 bit safe here. There is no option with the T letter. T letter is not available in T. Then realize, okay, it's decoding related stuff. Then we can apply minus 1 plus 1. Happiness is given so and so. Sorrow would be coded in the same code as what? We got XN is SQPR. Letter coding, letters to letters. So what about next one? Sherlock is given something, what is training? So what's the logic here? Minus 1, then minus 2, then minus 3, minus 4. But later, first 4 letters okay. Then plus 4, plus 3, plus 2, plus 1. This is very typical question. They are not applying same logic. It's not only minus 1 logic for entire. They divide the entire code into 2 groups. First group minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Next group plus 4, plus 3, plus 2, plus 1. If you want to identify the logic, you should know the value of each letter. Then you can think about minus 1 or plus 2, what logic. Right? So training also, if we divide into 2 groups, for first group minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So T minus 1 is R minus 2P. A is 27 we can take. 27 minus 3 is 20. So we will get X, sorry, R minus 2, right? T will come. So SPX required. A option SPX, B option, C option, all SPX only. Okay. Then still, we have to go for minus 4. 9 minus 4, 5 will get SPXE. So every option A, B, C is SPXE only. Then plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 plus 4. Okay, this option A, you complete that extra two letters QK is available in your booklet. The two letters you add, please. Option A, last two letters you add Q and K. These two add. Option A is correct. Up to OK is available. The two letters are missed in that option A. You add it. O, K, Q, K. The logic, first two four letters, -1, -2, -3, -4. Last four letters are +4, +3, +2, +1. In Mettl, most of the questions they are doing in that way. We have to divide the entire group into two if it is even number. If it is odd number, middle letter we keep separately, middle letter before certain logic, after certain logic they are applying. They are definitely giving one typical question. Many other questions you can do easily, but one typical question they are giving. We have to be very alert to answer those things. Option C, B. Okay. What we did wrong here? So it's like training, okay. Plus 4, right? Fine. So first we have to apply plus 4 logic. Perfect. Plus 4. So n plus 4 or okay, then plus 3, then plus 2, plus 1. Super. Option B. First group -1, -2, -3, -4. Next is plus 4. Started with plus 4. I did plus 1 initially. That's what. Good. Thanks for the update. B is correct. B is correct. Perfect. Next, if we focus on 29, here also, how many letters? 9. They may see, that's what I am repeatedly mentioning. As number of letters is odd number, middle one they kept as it is DLC. I think, okay, recent last 5 to 10 questions, if you observe, maximum they are dividing into groups. See, middle letter N as it is. But first four, last four, some logic happened. For first four, what has happened? Plus 2, plus 4, plus 6, plus 8. What about last four? -2. See, that's what, guys, you can see all the questions when we gather now. What type of logics they are focusing, you may got the idea. Right? So, you can see around last 6 to 7 questions, they are dividing into group. If it is even number, two groups, odd number, middle one, some logic, remaining they are applying different things. So, in country, N should be common. N should be the middle letter. A and C eliminated because N is middle one, that's common. ESA also common, R also common. I need to worry about last two letters. Okay, -4, -6. R -4 is N. Y -6 is S. So option B is correct. See, first letter, middle letter must be N. A and C eliminated. Then among B and D, which is varied, last two letters, -2, -4, -6 here. We don't get 8 here. First letter +2, second letter +4, third letter +6. Then -2, -4, -6. No need to enter into 8. Here only 7 letters are available. Accordingly, we need to update our logic. Coding and decoding related question. Now substitution coding related. So these type of questions, don't read the entire stuff initially. Read the last line. What's the last line? In question, where does fish living? So where does fish living? Water. But in question, water is called. So your answer should be here. No need to extend that. Read the last line. What is the meaning? What they call it. So again, don't say F is called fire is called stone, answer is stone. Then no logic for the question. For every question, stone is answer. That is question is wasted. Don't apply it. Keep going. Okay. Where does fish live in? So water. In question, water is called here. Stop there. Stop there itself. Don't extend that. In Mettl, they are giving these type of questions. You can find plenty of similar questions. What's the next one? Last line. Which is used to wash a dirty shirt? Washing. So it is called mat. So answer is mat. To wash a dirty shirt. So in questions related thing, button, shirt, shoe, sock, washing soap. So related one in the question we need to select and how they call. Here it is a mat. So answer is option D, mat we can select. Option D, mat. Next one, last line again. Where does a person sit? Okay, in chair. So they given here as cot. So person sit in chair, that is given as cot. So we'll go with option B, cot. Similarly, next question. That's what's very simple. Read the last line. What is the related word in the question? What they called as. Don't extend it. Stop the discussion there itself. Right. So next one. To wash. Hey. So they given like that. It's given in the question. Okay. Shampoo. So it's called as brush. Fine. See, some people literally they're trying to use Chat GPT for this type of questions. So, okay, for Accenture anyhow, you need to take the exam from college. No need to use mobile or any other source is not available. If some exams, if it is allowed, and if people are trying to do the same question Chat GPT, copy paste and try, you'll get answer as shampoo only. Problem because it won't read the entire logic, it read the last line. That's what, okay, a lot of times we are saying don't blindly believe on chat GPT. It will read, you just try, you type that question, enter, it will go for last line meaning, that's it. Okay, shampoo only it will give. But that's not the correct answer. Okay, so fine. So what is the color of blood? It will take, so let's say this is the question. Last line, what is the color of blood? It will read that only. Color of blood is red, but in question, red is called something. It won't go back and check that. So that's the problem. Don't rely with chat GPT always. It will make you wrong answer. So what's your answer should be? Brush. Okay. Next one, and this is what we said mixed coding. So we have four different type of concepts in coding and decoding. All four they are asking numbers related down, letter to letter, and just for substitution code. This is called mixed coding. Now, if you observe every group here, there is a common word called tree. Here left side, MELKE. So I can say tree is nothing but MELKE. Guys, listen. Now see the position. MELKE at ending. Tree is at the ending. MELKE at the starting. Tree is at the. So position also same. Wherever MELKE available, the same position tree should come. Now what is big code? What should be the code for big? Grana. What is the code for house? Coon. Position also same. So big is first GRE, house means coon. So I need to find first these two words. Order is second important. I need GRE and hoon in the options. So both available in only one option. First that words, next to position. If two options are there, then I have to think about position as well. Hoon which position, GRNA which position. I have to think about position, but here with GRNA and hoon, only one option available. This is mixed coding. We need to compare. We need to compare. Right? So where that okay, everything tree, and that to position also you can observe. And big is GRNA, house is nothing but okay, ME, whom. That's how you can go it. Right. So similarly, these are different type of questions, but model is approach is same. Now here, I am good, he is bad, good or bad, they given a lot of things. Now finally, what you want to calculate? I am bad. Okay, first of all, bad code you check it out. Bad is in two things. Common, bad is common here as well as here. What is common word? Tin. And observe position, guys, listen. Now position different. Bad is at some place, tin is at some place. Position I cannot fix. Okay, but I need wherever bad is there I want tin. Now similarly for good what's the code? Good is available in first one, good is available in last one. Compare first and last. See, again position worried. They're not giving same positions. Good is last word, but sin is in first in that sentence, right? So, but I can say good is nothing but chin. Now listen, I want I am bad. Now, sir, what is I? I cannot say. What is am? I cannot say. But together, I am means I want. What should be required for I am? Min and PNA. Position can be swapped. So, I want I am bad means for I am, I want min and MIN and PANA, and I want for bad as tin. See the options which have MIN, PANA as well as tin. We need to go for those words. So here chin not allowed, win not allowed. Problem why I am eliminating, I am just underlining. Here also win not allowed. Position is not a worry. Problem with the words you can see. We need for bad tin. Tin must be there. Tin is there only in option A and C. For I want MIN and PANA. Position can be front and back, that's not an issue. But we want that's available in option B. Check it out what the way they are approaching. This is mixed coding stuff. You can see plenty of similar questions followed by. Now numbers. See, this is different way of asking. Okay, different methods. Now finally here, what is common in these two last two? 7. 7 is nothing but picture. So 7 is nothing but picture. Super. First two is common is 4. Common word good. Okay, 4 is good. Now listen, they are asking for faint, and there is no common thing. 2 and 9 not exist anywhere. Guys, listen. Many people do a small mistake. Sir, here 7 is first number, sir. Picture is first one, sir. Faint last one. 9 is the answer wrong. Position you observe there also, dear. 4 is first last number in 134, but good is the first one. Position not same. So for faint, I cannot say. It can be either 2 or 9. 2 or 9. Don't say 9 fixed. Here positions, okay, last one fine. But what about second one also? 8 is last number, but last word is picture. Picture is mapped to 7. Position is not correct suitable. So data inadequate. Or if you have option, either 2 or 9. Some questions they are giving either or also. Some questions they say cannot be determined, can't say data inadequate, you opt accordingly. Right, so here option C, data inadequate. Compare, simple. Next, this is, listen, in camel and lion, any letter common in camel and lion? Which letter? L. L is last letter in camel, last number is 6. Lion L is first letter, first number is. This is also comparison only, and you can see position also same. Camel and lion, if you compare L is common, 6 okay, but in fact position also same. If you want to cross verify, in lion I is 7, in tiger I is 7. In tiger and lion, okay, both common letter is I. Compare. I is 7 agreed. Okay, but position also same. So L is 6, I is 7. So I want 6, 7, option E. L is 6, I is 7. Right. In fact, wherever E is there, 0 is kept, you can see. In camel, E is available. Tide, E also available. E is 0. So like that, you can map. I am done with the question with just LI letter. L and I, 6, 7, second and third letters available only in option A. Next 38. So again, similar type of questions. So all dogs are friends. All cats are black. So this is syllogism topic. No. Okay, here they given what is the code for R, we need to calculate. Right? Okay. If you compare first and last, what is common first and last? All dogs, numbers common, 5, 1, 5, 1. All is common in everything, number is 1. First remove all. All is common everywhere. So all is nothing but 1. Throw it out. Now, first and second you compare. First and second compare. What is available? R. Number 3. That's it. R is nothing but 3. All is every word, every sentence is having all in all 3 common. First remove all. The number for that is 1. Throw out. Then dogs is nothing but 5. Dogs is nothing but 5. No need to note down all those time waste in exam perception. Here for your clarity you can note down, but exam point of view, okay, noting all those cases in waste. R is nothing but 3. Position, no. Position we are not worrying about. It's all about comparison. Similarly, you can use, they're using symbols, numbers, symbols, some other words. Right, so here dollar, at the rate, and star, hash, and dollar. Right, so first two, what is common? Good and values. Okay. Values, see, I think the position also it's okay here. 2, okay, star is also disturbing us, right? I think star is not there, you can ignore it. 3 votes, 3. Star you can ignore. Oh, right. Yeah, star you can ignore. Star is you eliminate star in that. Okay. Star is wrong there. What is common in both is values. Let's see the position. Value first one, dollar. Value here, last one, dollar. Good is last one, here and. Here good is middle one, and position wise also fine. Comparison position wise also fine. So first thing inculcate means, worst case, inculcate means I want hash. At least that clarity is there, no? Okay, position you ignore. 2 letters common, 2 cancel. Inculcate means I must and should require hash. Okay. Always means we require at the rate. So we need at the rate hash, and they use new word habits. In fact, for good, we want first one is at the rate already hash. For good, we need and symbol. For habits, they given in question. Percentage, for habits, percentage. So and hash, sorry, at the rate hash and percentage. Not available anywhere. None of this. Option A. But position also same, no? Position not match, no? Because if you observe here, value dollar, place same. For good and, here also good and. Place and position same, it's maintained as it is, no disturbance in that. Okay, the letters are available in option A. I agree, people are claiming that sir, and is available, percentage available, at the rate available, hash available. Yes, it's available. But what about that order? I'm worrying about that order as well. Order not fit anywhere. Okay. When you don't have none of this option, no, then we can think about at least. They given none option also. You can go with E. Position disturbance is there. Position disturbance is there. Fine. So let's go for the next question. Here, okay, they given 4, 4. Fine, let it be. First, read the question what they're asking. Code for rain. Okay. Now, the common thing in first and next one is the false gently is available. So, the common here and there is BOE, JOE, NOE out, and the gently false will be out. Then rain will be nothing but TOE. There is no issue, they give only two things, but if you compare, okay, except rain, remaining all are common in both, so things will be eliminated. Okay, then we can go ahead with only option A, TOE. 40th question in your booklet, coding and decoding topic. 40th question, TOE is the answer. Question number 40, you can open and check it out. Next one again, see the dog run 143. The common in both of these two is dog. No, the word ram. Okay, the is common. The is nothing but one. Okay, fine, good. Now here the frog jumped. The means nothing but one. Listen, my dear friends. Now listen. Sir, frog is a new one, right? See, this is very important. This model every time you can expect one question. Everybody focus. Listen. Frog is a new word, right? Already what numbers are used? 1, 4, 3, 5, 6, 9 are used. So now I should not use 3. Eliminate the D option. Eliminate C option. Eliminate A option. My job done. Why, sir? Frog jumped is a new word. I need new code for that. 3 should be, see, 3 must be something dog or ran, right? Dog or ran, it's not available. So 3 I don't want. I don't want 3. I don't want 6. I don't want 5. I don't want 9. I want some new digit because new word came. There are many correct answers possible, but among given, guys, listen, many correct answers are possible. So why only 27? I'll keep some other number 07. Okay, 70. Okay, fine. But among given options, see that's why they use the word probable. They're not saying this is the exact code. Possibility, probability, possibility. What is the possible among the options? Among options, possibility is correct for B option 1 to 7. Here, O is common and this slash symbol. Positions also you can observe, I think. O, I think cooker O position, roaster O position. In this question also O position same. And except option A, the option A eliminated because of that purpose you can get the clarity. And R is there in 3 places. R is 5 here, here also 5, here also 5. Okay, we want M, right? Now guys listen. M is a new letter not available in the question. Cooker, M is not there. Roaster, M is not there. M is a new one. I need to assign new code. For M, new code must be assigned, which is not existing so far. Okay, which symbol is already, percentage is already used, backslash O, okay, O digit. That is why O came. C eliminated. I want for M new one. New one is 0. Some new thing is required, 0 they taken. Perfect. For S dollar, perfect. E star, good. So option D is correct. Sir, for M, why you taken O? I need a new letter. Only new digit, new element. Okay, among options, new element given for M is 0. Okay, so we can go with option. So next, odd one out. Analogy, odd one out series, they are asking, kindly focus. Odd one out concept. So here, option C. This is marine, so water, like water related. Okay, so marine related animals, okay, are fine. So remaining all pig, hen, and cow, land. Now this odd one out related to letters, you can just go for each letter value, then you can pick which is different among options. Right? So 2, 4, 7 plus 2 plus 3. 6, 8, 11 plus 2 plus 3. You can observe plus 2 plus 3 logic. Failed in option D because this is plus 2 plus 4 logic. Difference is 2 and 3, but here difference is 2 and 4. 14, 16, 20. Problem is that. Here 15, 17, 20. Plus 2 plus 3 except option D. Rest all okay for plus 2 plus 3 logic. All are with same logic except one thing. That's what odd one out. We can find option D is odd one out here. That's a different logic except this. D remaining all plus 2 plus 3 logic. Now, similarly, if you work on this, right, so last two are first two, it's all your wish. I'm going with last two. 8 and 3. Yeah, fine. In fact, minus 5 is happening. Okay, everybody is going with your minus 5 logic entire. How, sir? This is 18, then 15, then 8, then 5. 3, sorry. Okay, 13, 13. 18, 13, minus 5 logic. Here, minus 5 logic or not? Yes, 11, 6, 1. A can be taken as 27 also, no problem. A can be 27 as well. So this is also same. Minus 5 logic only. 11 minus 5, 6, 6 minus 5, 1. A can be 27 also. 27 minus 5, 22. Perfect. Whereas here, D can be 30. Y 25. T 20. O 15. Perfect. Problem with option C. First two itself we have an issue. 11 and 9. Minus 2. We want minus 5 logic everywhere. But here minus 2 logic came. Why option C? Because of minus 2 logic. Rest all maintain minus 5 logic. Super, perfect. Odd one out. One different one among options. So similarly here, your first two letters increasing plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay. Then plus 5, 13, 18 plus 5. This is plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. I think option A, last two letters issue, 5 gap. Here 11 and 15, 4 gap. I9, M13, 4 gap. G7, K11, 4 gap. Except option A, remaining all maintain 4 gap. 4. Right, so option. This is, that's what I said, related to verbal also. Yeah, fine, time, right? So chain, bangle, bracelet, so time. So time is different one. Remaining all we can say ornaments, right? So yeah, here we need English a bit. So I said earlier, they may claim it's abstract reasoning, but a couple of questions related to analogy and Arvano, they're asking from verbal. You should know meaning of all this. Remaining all related to emotions. Okay, these all are related to emotions. Angry, okay, related things, emotional things. So apathetic, except that remaining all related to emotions. So we need bit English, each word meaning. If you know meaning, then fine. Otherwise, problem is that Antonyms, synonyms, all those stuff. Here, except apathetic, remaining all related to strong emotions, conveying strong emotions. So, seventh one, premeditated. So, we already rehearsed, we are already practicing, calculating and all spontaneous. So, remaining almost similar words, rehearsals, we are not spontaneously doing that, we already did rehearsal, we practiced, calculated, premeditated, so we already know what is happening next. Spontaneous, remaining all are similar, okay, synonyms we can say, spontaneous is a different word. So image based questions, 3 to 4 questions in every set. We can find around 3 to 4 questions in every set from image based questions. That too in Mettl platform, as mentioned earlier, they are giving figure matrix. Okay, the concept, the diagram, what they given is figure matrix. Yeah, they are giving a matrix with 3 rows and 3 columns. Logic can be row wise or column wise. They give 3 rows and 3 columns. You have to see the logic row wise or column wise. Most of the questions they are giving row wise logic only. Sometimes column wise also possible. Row wise or column wise logic. Okay. Some questions column wise also possible. We need to focus. This is questions discussing regarding Mettl. In Mettl image based only this model they are giving. Okay. In other platforms, they'll give what is the next diagram, analogy, paper cutting, paper folding, water image, mirror image, lot of stuff. But here, only one model is this. Okay. Now, if you look into this first diagram here, okay, very typical question. In fact, I can say this first one. Observe, have a clear observation, my dear friends. Okay, similar questions, lot they are giving, lot they are generating. First of all, guys, listen. First row, focus on row. How many arrows? How many times arrow came? Not how many. How many times arrow came? Arrow came. Number of I don't want. 2 times arrow is there. It came 2 times. Number of times I mean to say, okay, 2 times it repeated. That arrow related, right? Then shaded one, shaded rod. Okay, let us say rod. Rod 2 times here and here, right? Then pipe also 2 times. First focus on that. Are you understanding? Every element came 2 times. Arrows, 2 diagrams. In 2 diagrams it exists. In this row, I am talking only about first row. First row. That shaded one 2 times, pipe one 2 times, empty one. Next one, listen. Next one, listen. One element 2 times. See, guys, focus. Focus. One. You have here one. I'll show that number also. This is bit typical. Problem is that I'll show that what is one I am telling. Here this is one, right? One. Here one. Then two came 2 times. You observe. Two. Here two. Here. See that is arrow or water it may be. Two came 2 times. One came. One also came 2 times. Three. Here in arrow three. So three also came. That is the rule. 3 came 2 times, 1 should came 2 times, 2 should came 2 times. Now focus on the middle row. Pipe model 2 times occurred. Arrow model 2 times occurred. What is pending? Shaded one. Shaded one. Okay, so I need shaded one here. Shaded one here. But how many times will decide? 1 came, 1 came, 3 came, 3 came. Now shaded 2 vertically, 2 horizontally. In fact, if you go deeper into the note, 2 came 2 times, so 2 elements. Vertically 1 time, horizontally 1 time. 3 also 2 times, vertically 1 time, horizontally 1 time. So every row you check, vertically 1 time. So I need this in the options. Option. Problem. 6 options they are giving. 6 options. A, B, C. You can observe C, D, E, F. Among 6 options, we need to pick option B. Are you getting the point, my dear? Why 2, 2? Okay, 2, 2. That's important. Again, I am mentioning. Again, I am going with the question. Guys, focus, focus. Focus on things. So, listen. In that entire row, in that entire first row, arrow type, arrow model should come 2 times. Arrow model should come 2 times. Then rod model should come 2 times. That too, one time vertically, one time horizontally. One in vertical, one in horizontal. Then shaded one vertically one time, horizontally one time. 2 times every element is occurring. Okay. Then if you observe the numbers related here, one, here one number 2 times. This is 2 arrows, here 2. Quantity 2, here quantity 2, here quantity 3, here quantity 3. So one quantity should come 2 times, 2 quantities should come 2 times, 3 quantities should come 2 times. You can check the third row also for your clarity. Here 2 times, here 2. This is 3, here also 3. Here 1, here 1. 1 came 2 times, 2 came 2 times, 3 came 2 times.